Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE V40 Pro and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's begin with opening the phone dialer and enter the code, which is *##06#. And here in this pop-out window we have to scroll all the way down to find the serial number of this device. So as you can see, this is the fastest way to check the serial number. And now I'd like to show you a different way through the settings, which will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work or you will forget about it. So let's start with opening the settings, then scroll all the way down to find About Phone. And here, let's go to version. And as you can see, right in the middle, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.